कौमी तराना नेशनल एंथम सुनेंगे।
पाकिस्तान, आवाज नहीं आ रही। पाकिस्तान,
Cream rolls. Okay.
A sixer and play cricket.
Yeah.
I hit 2 sixers last month playing cricket. So check, okay? Of Virginia, the Commonwealth of Virginia has a small business bank that gives fee-based loans, low interest rate loans. The state of Virginia, the Commonwealth of Virginia, has a venture capital fund that invests in small businesses. The Commonwealth of Virginia gives grants to help small business owners start. And last but not least, the Commonwealth of Virginia has a special program for minority small business owners that gives you preferential access to more than $7 billion in state contracts. To those resources, because in Virginia, anything is possible. And so I work for you, and it is an honor again to be here, and I'll try to end with my last little Urdu, okay? Kam karta hoon. I work for you. All right. Thank you very much. It's an honor. Thank you.
सारे पाकिस्तानी हैं जो वर्जीनिया के गवर्नर के एशिया एडवाइजरी बोर्ड पे के चेयरमैन हैं।
पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद पाकिस्तान। माय नेम इज मंसूर कुरैशी और मैं गवर्नर की एशियन अमेरिकन एडवाइजरी बोर्ड का चेयर ऑफ सिविक कमेटी हूँ।
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr.
Commonwealth of Virginia, this governor, Governor Glenn Youngkin, stands with the Pakistani community. He will fight for the Pakistani community, and we will help the Pakistani community in any way possible. So we stand with you, we walk with you, and again, Pakistan Zindabad.